Hello, this is Victor at RestoringMercedes.com. It's late at night, it's Saturday, and I finally got the programmer, and basically this video is going to be about me trying to deactivate drive authorization system in a 97 S600. This is the system that has the chip inside the key, and the customer made me new key with the chip. The chip is inside there, and it turned out that we have wrong the drive authorization module itself. This is the chip. This is the controller that checks the chip. We have one control module that's original, and we have another second control module that is not original. Win numbers in these do not match, and that thing does not match either of these win numbers, so everything is so screwed up, and this computer is also defective on top of all that. So now I'm gonna try to jump this module. I'm going to delete I'm basically going to try to virginize this unit just to make it like a factory fresh, put on win number back in there, and probably not gonna even try to use that. As long as this module will tell me that I do have authorization, drive authorization enabled, then I should be okay. The first thing we need to do is we need to remove the main processor. Okay, so the main processor is removed. I cleaned up a little bit on the board, but could do a little better job, but it's all right. It looks okay to me. Okay, so right now the chip has been read, so I saved the file, and we're going to change lines here to virginize it. I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6, we have to go to FF. Main processor has been soldered in. Okay, so after everything has been performed, all procedures, only one ME module is installed in the control box, just one of them, but that's because second one is dead. Now it asks me to start the engine, and now we're going to cross our fingers and see if engine will actually fire up. Let's go try it out. And it did not start. So let's move on. Now going back to a drawing board. So now it's seriously late, and I was playing around trying to start that car, and what I realized is that the secondary module, secondary ECU, is giving out error, because win number over here does not match, because it's not from this car, and that's not me, that's somebody else did it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to virginize this one as well, and put in a win number that matches the primary ECU, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so we're not out of the woods yet, but I got 6 cylinders to run. I still have to deal with this second control module, and we still have to deal with a bunch of other problems because this is I don't know what's going on, but this car has not battery light, and I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I got 6 cylinders to run out of 12. Look, the battery light went away. So let me just let it run for a little bit. And it's been a very long night, but this car has been dead for so long, and I got lifter noises everywhere. Right now I'm trying to fill up the last lifter because we had about 3 dead lifters, and now we're about to be done with the last one to pump up the last lifter. It's almost there. Almost there. Okay, so lifters all pumped up. Pardon my voice, it's very late at night, but it's running. We're not out of the woods yet, so we still have to figure out what to do with the second control module, because second control module is dead, and it's not like really dead, but it's just like not working right. Here's our RPMs. Give it some gas. It's dying because it's only on 6 cylinders. I only got 6 cylinders to go, but the ES system is not even there. This is the GS system. Okay, so it's not even plugged in. I don't know where it came from. This is not original to the car, because I know the VIN number is like what have you have. What anyway? So the chip, that's supposed to be, that whole thing is supposed to be behind the instrument cluster, right? So we have lower it down. No, it's already all the way down. Anyway, where are all those plugs? Ugh. I'm sorry, it's like 2 a.m. in the morning right now, and these are the plugs for GS module. Car is running, but I only have 7 starts right now, so I don't know. We're gonna work this out, but at least I got the car running without this. But after 40 starts, I don't know what's gonna happen. That is unknown. But this thing has not been running for so many years, and now at least 6 cylinders run, and I'm going to get it. I'm going to get to the other 6. I tried a few things, didn't work out, but like I said, I just want to I just want to see it run. It's actually a really good running engine, at least on these 6 cylinders. So this has to be brought back to life one way or the other.